Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm gonna make for you guys, I'm gonna give you guys a lovely delicious recipe that I know you all will enjoy. So what I did, I make some Jamaican pepper shrimp. The video is gonna be on my channel and how I make it. So this is it right here. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a pasta with it, a spaghetti. So these are some of my ingredients. Here I have some bell peppers, half bell peppers, 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 onion, another bell pepper, that's the red one, some carrot, half of carrot, and 3 tomato, some scallion, and this is my spaghetti right here. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. This idea just came to me not long ago to make some pasta with my Jamaican pepper shrimp, and I know it's gonna be so delicious. So if you guys want to see and how I make it, please continue to watch this video. Don't forget to share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media, because I know you guys is gonna enjoy this recipe. It's gonna be so good. So stay tuned. So here I have my pot on my stove, and to my pot I add at least just over 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can always use vegetable oil, okay? So firstly I'm gonna add my onion and my garlic. I'm just gonna allow it to saute for at least 20 seconds, okay? So just after 20 seconds or so, I'm gonna add my tomato. After I add my tomato, I'm gonna add my carrot. And you want to leave it, guys, for at least 25 seconds, okay? Because I'm just stir frying it. Yeah. So just after 25 seconds, I'm gonna add some of my fresh thyme and some ginger, okay? At least 1 teaspoon of ginger. So now I'm gonna add my bell peppers. And I'm also gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, ½ teaspoon, there's a pinch of salt, some black pepper, at least ½ teaspoon of my black pepper. You want to give it a stir. And you're just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 30 seconds, okay? So now I'm gonna cook my spaghetti. So here I have a pot on my stove and my water is hot, okay? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm also gonna add some of my olive oil, some all-purpose seasoning, at least 1 teaspoon. You want to give it a stir. Then I'm gonna add my spaghetti. What you can do, you can just try and move it down. And you're just gonna allow your spaghetti, guys, to cook for at least 8 to 10 minutes, okay? but you don't want it to be over soft. So just after 30 seconds, this is what it looks like. As you can see, the carrot and the sweet pepper is nice and still crunchy. So now I'm gonna turn my stove down and I'm gonna add my spaghetti, okay? So I'm gonna put everything to a side and I'm gonna add some of my dark soya sauce, and I'm also gonna add some barbecue sauce, okay? At least 2 tablespoons of my barbecue sauce. Then I'm gonna mix it all in. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Just make sure that everything is all combined, okay? Yeah. This looks so good, guys. Super, super delicious. So you want to make sure that everything is all combined, okay? So now, guys, I'm gonna add my pepper shrimp. Yes. And as I said, guys, video will be on my channel, so check it out, okay? Or you can check in the description. So that's my pepper shrimp. Look at that. This is so good. You want to combine it all. Oh my goodness. Honestly, this is so good, guys. I know my family is gonna enjoy this recipe. Trust me, them are gonna love it. I'm gonna add my scallion. You wanna just mix it all in. And guys, if it need any more barbecue sauce, any more dark soya sauce, you can always add, okay? But this right here is perfect. Look at that. It is super, super delicious. You can just cover your pot and just leave it for at least just a couple of seconds and it is ready, good to go. So guys, it is all finished. So now I'm gonna plate it all up, okay? So stay tuned. So now I'm plating it all up and I'm telling you guys, it looking so, so, so good. If you try this recipe, please don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. Don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. Thumb this video up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive more delicious videos like these. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna enjoy this so much. It is so flavorful. It is so good. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.